Did you know you can make money easily simply by watching videos like YouTube and the likes? You don't believe it? By just watching videos, you can earn points, which can be converted to real cash. This method is going to make you a significant amount of money if you dedicate some time and work to it. We all watch short videos for fun, right? Imagine if you could get paid for what you love doing, just like watching videos while lying in bed or sitting on your couch or relaxing on the beach. I'm going to show you this website which will pay you just for watching videos online. This website will pay you real money and not gift cards or whatsoever. Besides, you can use this website also to like Facebook posts, Instagram posts, and the like. But our focus today is making money by watching videos with this website. The best part is, you don't even have to actively watch these videos. You'll just click the play button and let the video play in the background, and that's all. But before I continue, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you'll be the first to know, and you can start implementing what you've learned. The first website we are going to visit in this video is followfast.com. As you can see here, these are the people who have been making money online. Stay with me until the end of the video because I'll be teaching the steps to making money just by watching videos, and a couple of bonus tips to maximize money making on this platform. Now click on this button right here to join the platform. This will take you to a page where you'll be able to input all the details for account creation. To finalize, just input the CAPTCHA numbers in order to proceed and finally create your own account. Now going back to Follow Fast, after successfully creating an account, you'll be shown your dashboard where you'll have the options on how you want to make your money. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Like I mentioned earlier, our focus is on watching videos. You'll then be redirected to this page where you'll find the video that you are going to watch for a couple of seconds and get paid for. Now let's click on the play button and then we will be redirected to the video that we would watch. Upon clicking that, you'll see on followfast.com that the timer has already started its count of seconds. If the timer is done, you can just pause or exit the video. Easy as ABC. Now since you're still here with me, I want to give you a bonus tip that can maximize our earning potential. And the tip is opening a number of tabs and playing a number of videos simultaneously to earn more points. And the best part is, you won't really watch these videos. You will just click on it and just finish the timer. That's making sense, right? Going back to your Follow Fast dashboard, you can also earn daily or hourly bonus points by just clicking on this button right here. You can do this just by logging into your account and do your task that Follow Fast has instructed you to do. Looking to cash out? All you need to do is click on this button right here to cash out the points that you've accumulated by watching the set videos on Follow Fast. By clicking that button, you'll be redirected to this page where you'll choose the payment option to cash out your points. You can use PayPal to cash out your money when you've reached the payment cash out requirement. As you can see, this method is recommended for anyone looking forward to earning a decent income online. Take action today and you'll be glad you did. Do you want to learn how you can earn money simply by clicking? Check out this video. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.